Hello class and welcome to Module 3. We have 2 assignments. This is going to be your last heavy discussion. All of the discussions after this one are going to be just for topic approval, but this is going to be the last one that's discussion heavy. So you're going to go in here and read 1 through 6, just like all the others. Number 1, well they're numbered wrong, sorry. So number 2 is number 1. You can use common sense there. So there's 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then watch these 2 videos. And then answer, number 1, number 2. So you may make sure you number them out and you have them separate and answer each one. Respond to your peers. 4 to 6 sentences. All the same rules apply with the discussion board. Next, we're going to do the movie monologue. You are going to find a scene from a movie and memorize it. So, we're going to be working on our physical delivery, on our vocal delivery, and so have fun with this one. So there's some student examples that you can watch. Make sure you watch those. Those are in the resources. So make sure you click on the resources and right here. So right here you have resources. It talks about memorization, the vocal delivery. So here is like the chapters in your book, and then student example 1, 2, and 3. So you cannot do any of the student examples. And then I want you to pick one that's original. Don't just go to a list. And there's a lot that are, wait, I clicked on the wrong thing. So right here. So there's a lot that are way cliched. It just means they're way overdone. These are not the only ones. But don't just go, oh, there's a really good speech in this movie, whatever over here that I'm going to do. Or go to a list because it's going to be like just cliche, just overdone. So what I want you to do is find a movie that you really like. So you can just go to Google and type in, if I were doing this, I would type in movie monologues from Jurassic Park, movie monologues from Harry Potter, movie monologues from Jaws, or movie monologues from Zombieland. That's a way good movie. You should watch it. So that is how I want you to approach this instead of just, picking one from the internet. Just be original in topic selection. That's part of this. Make sure that even if in yours they're sitting down, you have to be standing up. Even if they are standing there with their arms crossed the whole time, you have to have a level of delivery. You have to have hand gestures, so you want to make sure that you're picking appropriately, so you don't have one and you try to mimic it just like in the movie and it has you looking down, or whatever, because you do have to have vocal delivery. You have to have physical delivery. So make sure that you're choosing one that kind of sets yourself up for that. So because even if you might say, well, I did it just like in the movie, and if I grade you on the aspect of physical delivery because you don't have any hand gestures, then hey, it's probably going to be clear that you didn't watch this video. But make sure you're standing up and make sure that you have a level of hand gestures, vocal delivery, all of that. This is not a he said, she said. You cannot have 2 people in the scene, just you. So scan your audience and then tell us what movie you're doing. So I don't need a rundown. I would just say, hey, I'm going to do the scene off of Jurassic Park. Then go. That's it. You don't need to give a setup of your movie, but do say the title of your movie and then go into your movie monologue. 60 seconds minimum. Don't go over 2 minutes. It's unnecessary work. As far as cussing, don't do anything for shock value. If you drop the F-bomb, I'm going to fail you. You're going to see in one of the examples, there's a cuss word, but it's minor. So just, you're in college, but if you have one that's got a cuss word every other word, then change it. But just use common sense in that and have fun with this one. Most students do like this one. So if you have questions about a movie you want to do, you can let me know. But that's going to be what we do for this module. So I will talk to you soon.